lovely flowers. It's me, Neil, with Exquisite Floral Design and Events. And today I'm going to explain to you my tracker spreadsheet. So basically, the reason why I have this is because I want to be able to track and keep I want to know my numbers, basically. I have a bachelor's in business, and numbers really can tell if a business is doing good or if it's not. So I love tracking my numbers. So this right here is my revenue goal tracker. And it's just going to track all of the information that I will need to see where I'm going. Do I need to do more? So my goal for next year is $1 million. Yes, $1 million. I have a plan. I have a strategic plan on how I'm going to make this million, and I'm going to put it into gear. It's going to be a year of grinding and everything. So basically what I'm going to do is I want to know the wedding book date. I'm going to get the wedding book date, the total value of the wedding. I want to do, it's going to calculate the weekly sales total, the cumulative sales total, and the monthly sales total. And then basically it's going to just give me everything. So the weekly, cumulative, and month and revenue, they all have a formula. And it's just going to, calculate down so that I know where I stand and how far I need to go into making that $1 million goal, and how much hustling I need to do and what else needs to be done. So next we have my leads and conversion tracker. And this is very important because it helps you in the marketing aspect to see where you need to put more money into something. So the information I collect on this one is the date that the lead came in, the lead source, which would be for me, Instagram, Wedding Pros, which has Wedding Wire and The Knot, Google, and Zolo. And so I get the client's name, I get their contact information, the inquiry type. I do social events like birthdays and different things like that. The day I have their consultation, the outcome of their consultation at the very end of this, their booking date, the total value of the wedding, and then if I had to follow up, which I do a lot of following up with my people. And then also if I had to have any type of notes. And like I said, this is very important because it lets you know where you need to spend more money. If you're getting like everybody from Instagram, run some more Instagram ads, because that's where you're getting the more engaging or more, bang for your buck. Now this one is cost of goods sold. And this is very important to me because I need to know if I'm sticking within that 30% expense that I have for my clients. So I just get, the date, the client or the project's name, and then the revenue or how much the total event cost, the cost of my flowers, the supplies that I had to use, and then also the labor costs. Like if I had to have a bunch of freelancers, my young ladies who come in who work for me, all that stuff, I get the total of that stuff, and then also the delivery cost. Then this gives me the total of those five, I think it's five. Those fields will give me the total cost of goods sold. Then it will give me my gross profit and then my gross margin percentage. And I try to stay within a profit margin of 60%. So say if I did $1,000, say I had a $10,000 wedding, $3,000 should only be spent on everything, and then, which I usually run about 3.5, and then the rest of it should be profit. And this helps me stay within my ultimate goal of making money, because we all want to make money. So anyway, thank you. So if you comment down below tracker, I will send you a PDF file of this, and I'll include the formula. So if you want to recreate it, or if you want to go old school and write it down, it helps out a lot to see where you're going in your business. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my channels, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.